Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital channel. My name is Michael Chu. Today is February 25th, 2026, Wednesday, 9:12 a.m. to Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Nvidia earnings after hours today, so that could be interesting. At this moment, the market is generally higher again. We have Nasdaq up 0.9, Dow up 0.2%, S&P up 0.4%. Nasdaq volume is higher, which is supporting the move on Nasdaq right now, and NYSE volume is down 3%. Let me refresh the stocks on the move here. So we do have pretty strong volume again, 20 stocks here listed with the 20th stock at 58% volume higher. So that is a good thing. So we're seeing volume support on the growth stock side. Um, in general, today, at the biggest gainers are the techs. Let's take a look at QQQ. Here we are. We are bouncing back above the 1021 day. And also we are at the near the 50-day red line here, so that looks pretty good. So after many days of closing pretty tight and also didn't make a new low, and then now we're bouncing above that recent tightness and coming to the red line. This is all positive, so that's very good. Let's go look at the 5-minute chart, also holding up pretty tight as well so far this morning, not giving up too much of the gain, so that's another good sign. SPY also bouncing back above the 10-day, and all the short-term moving averages, they're all converging right now. So we are clearly above it, so that's a really good sign as well. Looking at the RSP equal weight, it is a little bit down today. So meaning we have more stocks down than up. Um, Based on equal weight. So that a little bit concerning, but still early in the day, we'll see if it can bounce back. If you look at QQEW, just to see the equal weight Nasdaq 100, so that one looks stronger, right? It's bouncing, yeah. So we have a recent highs here. So if we can clear that, come back above 21 day, that'll be very bullish. Okay, let's go back, go to Dow. Dow also bounced back to 10-day, but overall it still have a pretty downtrend line there, so need to overcome that. IWM also a little bit weak this morning, is red right now, also having a hard time to come back above the this trend line here, so that is a concern. So yeah, definitely mixed picture today, with most of the strength on the tech side. Um, if we look on stocks on the move, the Seco here, I think that's our earnings. It's not on my list because the earnings is a little bit lower than my fundamental requirements. Uh, okay, so this is actually came down a lot yesterday, so this is just a bounce on yesterday's drop. Oh yeah, keys. Let's look at keys here. This is scientific measuring. So this continued to move after yesterday's earnings run. Resi Glow. Okay, let's look at Glow. Corning. Corning continue to be a dominant leader here. Look at this move 4 days in a row, just incredible. That is very strong move. We have BMO, Laser, VIAV. This is fiber optics, also making strong move right now. Um, Coherent, Momentum Light still going, WDC. Those are leaders that are still going. We have Marriott, ACA, PHP, ATAT. We have APG, security. Nvidia, let's take a look at Nvidia. This one is doing better. Look at that. We have a bounce of 10-day, and today we are clearing a lot of the resistance from the last 2 weeks. So that is actually quite healthy here. So yeah, definitely a potential entry point right now because it's above all this 191, 194, 193 here. Right now we're making a new high since a long time. So yeah, that is a good move. And then looking at TSM, this is a little bit pullback, but still looks good. What else do we have here? PHP doing well. Um, TSEM, Algo, ATI. Let's just quickly look at the gold today. Gold bouncing back a little bit, so not too bad. AU, let's look at AU. AU continue to run. This is definitely a leader right now in the gold space. Looking good. Let's go to my spreadsheet here to see what else. It's AEIS, sweet. It's looking good. MU, yeah, those are all good here. Not much retail showing up today. These are stocks on the move stocks, right? We go here APG, GLW, we talk about that. TEL, VRT. Believe this is also bouncing nicely. Let's see. Yeah, this is making new high right now. It's really good. Nothing show up on the bio health side. Go AU, BHP, and not much financial. But really, the dominant today is the techs. Um, looking at my growth stock list here, like just filter by technology. I mean, I went through all the ones here and they look really good. A lot of them. ICHR, LIT, like some of this on the stocks on the move form, MTSI, ASX, right? UI, ENTG, AMAT, SIMO, Manpower Deal, STM, ASML, ADI, LRCX, Taiwan Semiconductor, LSCC, ARM. Let's look at ARM. Let's finish with this. This one is also coming out just like Nvidia. So yeah, semiconductors are leading very well today. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye now.